First up, we have a classic business look. White French cuff shirt, striped tie, cap-toe shoes, leather briefcase, and crisp white pocket square. As you can see, this jacket has patch pockets, which are typically a more casual pocket style. Now, you could definitely make the case that if you are buying a Navy suit specifically to wear in a business environment, that you should go with flat pockets rather than patch pockets, and I would not disagree with you. However, if you're buying the suit with an eye more towards versatility, I would definitely go with patch pockets. Just want to point out this shirt, which is a pin collar shirt by Edward Sexton. In a business setting, I really like a pin collar as a simple way to step it up and stand out in a manner that is not over the top. A Navy suit is very easy to dress down, even if you are wearing a tie. Now, one of my favorite ways to do this is to swap out the typical dress shirt for a denim shirt. A denim shirt is a great way to bridge that formality gap in either direction. It can elevate a casual look or dress down something more formal like a suit, as it does here. A denim shirt always looks great with a navy grenadine tie, and to keep with the more casual theme here, pocket square fold has a little more flair, 5711 on the wrist, and loafers instead of lace-ups. Continuing down the more casual side of things here, starting off by loosening the tie. Now, when you are dealing with a full suit and you are trying to dress it down, the only way that you can do this is with your choice of shirt. Just like I did with the denim shirt in the last look here, I did it with a gingham shirt, which is definitely more casual. This look would be fine if you want to skip the ascot, but I added it just to give it a touch of elegance and, since it's been a little cooler recently, to keep the draft from going down my shirt. Finishing off here with the Allen Edmonds wingtips and my Cartier Tank Americaine. Best thing about a Navy suit is you can break it down into separates, and the next two looks feature the jacket alone. This look is what is known as the menswear uniform. Navy jacket, light blue OCBD, gray flannel pants. Now, this is a total blank slate that you can be completely conservative with or as wild as you want to be. I kind of came down somewhere right in the middle with a white and black wool Glen plaid tie, which I picked up at Albazar the very first time I went to Milan. Little seasonal pop of color with our rabbit pocket square, and anchored by the most comfortable shoes I have ever worn, black suede loafers from Belgian Shoes NYC. Now, if you are waiting for me to pair the jacket with some dark jeans, I am sorry to disappoint you. Now, I go back and forth between whether I think that looks right or wrong, and right now, I am leaning more towards the latter. We're gonna call this look casually elegant. Have a great pair of charcoal flannel pants. The cashmere cable knit sweater is from Luca Filoni. No collared shirt underneath, just to keep it a little more casual, and black tassel loafers by Allen Edmonds. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that there are many different kinds of Navy suits. There is, of course, a wide range of color within the Navy spectrum, from very, very dark to the lighter side of Navy, which is where I would say the suit in this video falls. Also very important to pay attention to is the fabric. Now, the shinier the fabric or the more sheen that it has, the more formal and less versatile it is going to be. If you're looking for versatility, a Hopsack fabric is a very good choice for you. It's got a nice texture, it doesn't have a shine to it, and it travels very well. Just pull it out of your suitcase, a little bit of time with a steamer, and it's good to go. I will put links to all of the items featured in this video, or as similar as I can find, down below in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and until next time, thanks for watching and stay tailored.